What up, y'all? It's your boy BCD in the house, and you are now rocking to another episode of Good Life Cooking in Kauai. For breakfast, I'm going to show you how to make a quick potato hash with some spicy lentils, avocado, luscious mayo. We're going to get that going. It's going to be the most simple and delicious vegan breakfast you've had. Let's go. As you guys saw, that was like 20 minutes, super easy. Dice the potatoes, get everything plated. We're gonna go outside to the beautiful, sunny Kauai and enjoy a nice oceanside breakfast. Come on with me. Found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, do whatever you gotta do. Good life cooking, live that vegan life, baby. I'm out. Peace.